Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to log into your Swagbucks account. Whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser or app. Launch the web browser on your computer or open the Swagbucks app on your mobile device. Step 2. Visit the Swagbucks website. If you're using a browser, type in the URL www.swagbucks.com. Press Enter to navigate to the Swagbucks homepage. Step 3. Locate the login button. On the homepage, you'll see the login button typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email. You will be prompted to enter your registered email address in the field provided. Make sure it's the same email associated with your Swagbucks account. Step 5. Input your password. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 6. Click on the Login button. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Login button below the fields. This will log you into your Swagbucks account. Step 7. Explore your dashboard. Congratulations! You are now logged in. Take a moment to explore your account dashboard, where you can track your earnings, redeem rewards, and access various Swagbucks offers. If you encounter any issues during login, double-check your email and password for any typos, or consider resetting your password. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and happy earning with Swagbucks.